Ever wondered how much time and effort you could save if you could just talk to your design tools? Well, imagine no more. OpenAI has done it again, this time by integrating its popular chatbot, ChatGPT, with Canva, the go-to tool for creating stunning visuals. This strategic move is set to simplify the design process for businesses and entrepreneurs alike in the ever-evolving social marketing arena. Previously, the process of using Canva with ChatGPT was a bit of a jigsaw puzzle, involving a fair amount of manual work. Now, with the introduction of the Canva plugin, OpenAI has made the creation of new visuals as easy as a few clicks. This could be a game changer, potentially boosting user engagement with the platform. Getting started with this feature is a breeze. Simply fire up ChatGPT on your browser, head over to the plugin store in the plugin section, and install the Canva plugin. Once you've done that, go back to the main window of ChatGPT and select Canva from the plugin section. Then comes the fun part. In the prompt box of the chatbot, describe the visual you want to create. For instance, you could say, "I am an AI enthusiast active on Twitter. Create a banner for my account." This will generate a list of visuals, and you can pick your favorite, edit it in Canva, and download it for your use. Now, this exciting integration is currently exclusive to ChatGPT Plus subscribers who pay a monthly fee of $20. This subscription not only gives access to the Canva plugin, but also allows users to use the updated GPT-4 large language model, which excels at creating long-form content and accepting images as input. In the high-stakes world of AI, OpenAI has been consistently enhancing the capabilities of ChatGPT to stay at the forefront, even amidst growing competition from other powerful models like Claude AI and Google's Bard. This integration of Canva with ChatGPT is part of OpenAI's larger strategy to augment the chatbot's capabilities, making it a versatile tool that caters to a variety of user needs. Remember when OpenAI launched a feature to browse the web with Microsoft Bing? Well, they had to take it out when users discovered it could access paywalled content. But hey, that's all part of the journey, right? So there we have it. OpenAI and Canva together, simplifying the design process and making your life a whole lot easier. Innovation at its finest.